Hi guys, it's Daud. Welcome to my channel. I'm here. It's called Imperial War Museum. Amazing place, and there are a lot of beautiful trees and nice flowers. Look, these trees, huge, and okay, I want to show some flowers. Look, the trees, the trees, good. And show some flowers. Wow. This is this color and another white color, and this is yellow color. Different flowers. Look. This is red color, white color flower. This is white color. This is not red. I don't know. So purple maybe. This is red. This is okay. I want to show another. This is purple. This is many kind of flower. This is yellow. This is purple. This is
I'm sure he saw it, but he just. Yeah.
hello, Farhan. How are you? White. Wow, this it's a different colorful, amazing. There are many flower. Oh, I like this flower. It's amazing, nice. Okay, see you next video. Thank you, bye guys.
But if you after 20 years want pleasant life,
Yeah.
you would need to do something now. And only advice because if you die now in this condition, about this one you can only dream.
Yeah.
Because if somebody take for you this hammer per head, your soul ways go
Yeah.
about what you was dreaming, and when your soul or squirrels and or fighting
Yeah.
and went and fucking, this is magnet.
Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Dawood, and just today I want to show some flower, beautiful flower. Also, it's here. Wow, different flower. Here is for playing football and basketball, many things. Big place. It's that's what's called for. I don't know. Maybe it's say gym or playground. It's not playground. Playground for children. But here is something else. Look here. Different many. The trees and the weather is good. Yes, yeah. Okay. Nice duck. Okay. Look there. Wow. Huge tree and okay, see you next. This there's all flowers on the wall. It's amazing. I like that.
Dubstep. Wow. Gene. As I speed up the drum beat, I'll add these noises. Faster and faster until I'm completely out of breath. So I want to say a last couple of things. That is, have you three got your backstage passes? Okay, good. Right, everything is okay. Right, the finale. My name's Tom. Intensity is how to find me on the internet. So that is all my social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Hey, this DJ's pretty good, let's go back in. Right here, right now, right here, right now. Eat, sleep, bebox, repeat. Everything's appreciated. I've never seen a £20 note. I've never seen a £20 note. Thank you. I've never seen a £20 note. 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 Thank you. Hello. Thank you. I'll see you.
It's beautiful dark. Yeah, but many different color. This side of it. I want to go to take a bus. 21. Where is the bus station is here? Yeah. Okay, bus stop is here. River is here. Thames River. River Thames. It's boat. This is the bridge.